Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to be making a key for an Austral sliding glass door lock. We also do sell the cylinders on our lock shop if you wish to purchase a couple and change your own key. And we can also match this key to the same as the rest of your house as well. It's available in LW5 or C4. I'll leave a link down in the description to our lock shop, and that's the product right there. For today, we're just going to make a key, so let's get going.
Loosen ja. Pak uit zitten. And the couple of pieces. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be making a key for a sliding glass door, and I'll show you the lock after we do this. Now this particular one, I think it's an Austral brand. They've crimped it on the side, and this is die cast, so if I need to pull that out, it's definitely going to break. So I don't really want to disturb it too much. I've got my key blank here, LF37, slides in there nice. 27 didn't slide in there too good. Now the easiest way for me to do this is pretty much just to read straight through this window right here. Right here. So I can see, I've got my key blank in there. First one I don't need to worry about, second one I don't need to worry about. Third, fourth, fifth and sixth I need to worry about. Now they're only just slightly above the shear line, those two there. So I could easily be saying there, if this is a 1 cut, that would be a 2 cut. And then this one's quite high, so that would be a 3 cut. And the last one would be a 2 cut. So they give you a window at the bottom as well, but the window at the top there gives us plenty of room to be able to cut that. So let's put our key blank in. 443, I believe. So you're just going to bring up this. Now there is different space and depth for these, so I'm just going off memory. I could be wrong, but I believe it's card 443. Let's see how we go. Card 443. Search. Ooh, nope. Definitely not right. Blank. What were we again? LF37. LF37. Search. Okay, so there's one there. We'll try and use just a standard Lower and Fletcher spacing. So going back here, and we're going to give it a it's a 1 cut, a 1 cut, which is a no cut. Now the next two are only just very little, so we'll give those a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Okay, so this we can't use. Doesn't seem right. We don't have enough cuts on the key. Keep exiting. Cancel. Right, so we want 6 cut. 448. I was close. That's the card. Okay. So let's try that again. So we're going to go 1, 1. 2, 2. Because the first ones don't need to be touched. The second one's only slightly. And then I'm going to throw in a 3 and a 2. We're going to see how that works. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Let's see that. Now this particular type of lock is only sprung on one side, which means the springs are all on one side. So we could get away with cutting one side of the key just to see how it works. So here's our key. Get rid of some of those swarf, those little filings. So now if everything lines up, it should turn. Oh, look at that. Perfect. No resistance whatsoever. So now we know it's right. I'll cut the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to put this key cylinder back in this sliding glass door lock, just simply slide it back in there. Put this back up on here. There we are, one screw, two screw. Now, because they are wafer or disc cylinders, the outside one will get some sort of corrosion. So if you're trying to use it from this side, I'd recommend a little bit of WD-40. So we push it, it locks. Take note with this lock, you do have to push this in for it to work. Okay, and it is Austral, which I'm pretty sure is Austral. Push it in, lock it. Now let's test our keys. Yep. So that should be one here to actually deadlock it. Okay, that's deadlocked. Can't undo it without having the key. Now it's unlocked. You can lock it inside. When you want to deadlock it, put the key in. Yep. Which way am I going? That way. And it's deadlocked. Okay, thanks for watching.